Stretching across the Atlantic Ocean, the Bermuda Triangle is one of the world's most enduring mysteries. It's a region where countless ships and planes have disappeared without a trace, leaving only questions behind. The legend of the Bermuda Triangle dates back to the 15th century, when even Christopher Columbus recorded strange events, unexplained lights in the sky, and his compass malfunctioning. Over the years, tales of vanished vessels like the USS Cyclops in 1918 and Flight 19 in 1945 have fueled the mystery, sparking fear and speculation. Many theories have emerged to explain these disappearances. Some believe in the paranormal, ancient curses, or even underwater alien bases. Others speak of the lost city of Atlantis, theorizing that its crystal energies disrupt navigation systems. Yet, scientists offer more grounded explanations. They point to natural phenomena like methane gas eruptions, which can cause ships to sink suddenly, or the area's unique magnetic anomalies that interfere with compasses, leading navigators astray. Then there are the rogue waves, towering walls of water capable of swallowing ships whole. In the end, the Bermuda Triangle remains an enigma, a place where the line between myth and science blurs. Are we witnessing natural forces at play, or is there something more sinister lurking beneath the waves? The answer is still lost at sea.
Hey, there's a place on Earth that has captured the imagination of explorers, scientists, and thrill seekers alike. A place where ships vanish, planes disappear, and lives are lost, often without a single trace. This mysterious region, known as the Bermuda Triangle, has become the stuff of legend. But is it truly a place of danger, or is there something more behind the stories that have baffled us for decades? Stretching across over 500,000 square miles of ocean, the Bermuda Triangle connects 3 points: Miami, Bermuda, and Puerto Rico. But over the years, it has earned its reputation for being a graveyard of ships and planes. From the infamous disappearance of Flight 19 to the strange case of the USS Cyclops, the Triangle is home to some of the most chilling unsolved mysteries in history. Some say it's a natural phenomenon: magnetic anomalies, methane gas bubbles, or even unpredictable weather patterns. Others believe there's something more, something beyond our understanding: UFOs, time rifts, or even extraterrestrial forces at play. The question is, what's really going on in the Bermuda Triangle? In this video, we'll dive deep into the mystery of the Bermuda Triangle. We'll uncover the history, explore the most famous disappearances, and examine the theories that have kept scientists and conspiracy theorists alike questioning what's truly lurking beneath these mysterious waters. Join us as we venture into the unknown and try to make sense of one of the world's greatest mysteries. For centuries, there's been one place on Earth that has captivated the world with its mystery, intrigue, and danger. A region of the ocean where ships, planes, and even people have disappeared without a trace. That place is the Bermuda Triangle, stretching over 500,000 square miles between Miami, Bermuda, and Puerto Rico. The Bermuda Triangle is often called the Devil's Triangle. But what's really going on here? Are these disappearances the result of something supernatural, or is there a scientific explanation we're missing? Today, we're diving deep into the Bermuda Triangle, exploring its history, the most famous disappearances, and the theories that continue to baffle even the brightest minds. The Bermuda Triangle covers a vast area of the Atlantic Ocean, with points located in Miami, Bermuda, and Puerto Rico. It's infamous for a large number of ships and aircraft that have disappeared without any definitive explanation. But how did this stretch of water get such a sinister reputation? It all started with mysterious disappearances in the early 20th century. The most famous case, of course, is that of Flight 19. On December 5, 1945, 5 U.S. Navy bombers, known as Flight 19, set out on a training mission over the Bermuda Triangle. But something went wrong. Their compasses malfunctioned, and the pilots became disoriented. Despite several attempts to radio for help, the squadron vanished, and no trace of the men or their aircraft was ever found. Flight 19 wasn't alone. Over the years, dozens of planes and ships have gone missing in the same area, many with no distress signals, no wreckage, and no obvious reason for their disappearance. So, What's behind it? There are several theories that try to explain the Bermuda Triangle's reputation. Some of these are grounded in science, while others take a more imaginative approach. One of the most widely accepted explanations is that the Bermuda Triangle contains magnetic anomalies. These natural magnetic fields could affect navigational instruments, causing pilots and sailors to become disoriented. If the compass is malfunctioned, it could explain why so many ships and planes lose their way. Another theory suggests that the Bermuda Triangle sits above vast methane hydrate deposits on the ocean floor. When these gas pockets are disturbed, they can create massive bubbles that rise to the surface. If a ship or plane passes through, the gas could reduce buoyancy or even cause a plane to stall mid-flight. Of course, no conversation about the Bermuda Triangle would be complete without mentioning UFOs. Some believe that the region is a hotspot for extraterrestrial activity. Theories suggest that alien ships could be responsible for the disappearances, abducting aircraft and vessels for reasons we can't yet understand. Perhaps the most dramatic theory is that the Bermuda Triangle is a gateway to another dimension, or even a time warp. Some suggest that strange rifts in the fabric of space and time could explain how so many ships and planes vanish without a trace, only to reappear or never reappear again. Now, let's take a look at some of the most famous disappearances in the Bermuda Triangle. In 1918, the USS Cyclops, a U.S. Navy cargo ship, vanished without a trace while sailing from Barbados to the U.S. The ship had over 300 crew members aboard, yet no distress signals were sent, and no wreckage was ever found. What happened to the Cyclops remains one of the greatest maritime mysteries in history. We've already touched on the disappearance of Flight 19 in 1945, but it's worth noting that shortly after Flight 19 disappeared, a rescue plane, also sent to search for the squadron, vanished as well. This plane, known as PBM Mariner, was never found. Some believe it exploded mid-air, but the fact that it went missing so suddenly adds another layer of mystery. While we've explored some theories and famous cases, the Bermuda Triangle still remains one of the greatest mysteries in modern history. Could there be a scientific explanation? Or is there something far more mysterious at play? Whether it's magnetic anomalies, methane bubbles, UFOs, or even time warps, the Bermuda Triangle continues to draw us in, leaving more questions than answers. Perhaps in the end, the mystery is what keeps us coming back for more. What do you think is really behind the Bermuda Triangle? Do you believe in any of these theories, or do you have one of your own? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the Bermuda Triangle, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more stories that continue to puzzle and intrigue. Until next time, keep your curiosity alive. Who knows what other mysteries are out there waiting to be discovered?